Hello guys, good morning guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, the Royal Vivian. How you are doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Guys, sorry for the noise. I'm outside. I'm going out and I'm about to go and pick what my mom brought for me from Nigeria. You know, this season of coronavirus is hard to get something. I'm on my way to go and pick it up, and I will be showing you guys what my mom brought for me from Nigeria. I'll be carrying you guys along. Let's go there. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Guys, sorry I couldn't carry you guys along. No, I told you earlier that I want to go and pick up the things that my mom brought for me from Nigeria. I couldn't carry you guys along because I had a lot of appointments. As you can see, my eyes is very dull because I had a very stressful day today. So guys, I already collected the things and I'm going to be showing you guys what was inside. Here's my prawn, my dry prawn. Wow, jollof rice, here I come. Look at it, guys. I'm so happy for these things. I actually didn't have any of these things anymore. They are totally finished, especially crayfish. I have to go to the African store to buy these things. Then I have to buy crayfish. I buy 5 crayfish for €5. Very little. I use it 2 times and it's finished. So I'm so happy. I actually got all the things that I requested for, except snail, because that couldn't come. They didn't allow that one to come. So guys, my things are here. I'm so happy. These are all the things I got from Nigeria in this season of quarantine, this season of COVID-19. Very difficult to get things this time, but I thank God I was able to get these ones. So guys, I guess this is going to be the end of the video for today. If you did enjoy the video, hopefully give this video a thumbs up, and I know you are going to love the video. Give the video a thumbs up and then leave a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe if you are watching this video. If you are seeing this video for the first time and you are not yet subscribed, if you are just passing through my channel for the first time, you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Subscribing is free. Subscribe and share with your friends. After watching the video, please do share with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and for that friend to also tell another friend that Royal Vivian is on YouTube. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye guys.